my wonderful kitchen. Yeah. Anyways, it's showtime. What is up, show gang? I am quiet because my brothers are still in class. Class just ended right now. Today is my father's birthday, so I'm gonna make him a Rice Krispy treat. So, as you can see, so right now the marshmallows, they're warming. Okay, so the marshmallows are... I'll be back. I just finished cleaning the microwave after that explosion just happened, and you know, the marshmallows. We'll see how this goes. Okay, I just finished. I put it in the freezer. I'll put the video up here. But I put it in the freezer, and now we wait and give it to my father. This is it. This is ridiculous, bro. This. Okay, so literally came off the plate. Try it. I think it's like a normal Rice Krispie. Literally dumped. You like it? You like it? It's on your face. That's the end of the video. My brothers are literally chomping on it right now. Good. My dad, he tried a little bit. He said it was good. Forgot to record, but it broke. We're not gonna talk about that. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. So, gang, we are out. Bye. Hey, but before this video ends, I just wanted to tell y'all, sorry for the short vlog. I had some things to do. I made this video because, well, today was my father's birthday or whatever, so I had to do something for him. So, yeah. Anyways, I came here on, so before you go, tune into the Minecraft live stream tomorrow on Friday night. The time will be right here because I still gotta figure out what time it is at. So tune in. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!